Don't download HubSpot Enterprise Marketing Hub app before watching this. Most people know HubSpot as a CRM, but the surprising truth is that its enterprise marketing features can replace multiple tools if you understand what you're getting into. HubSpot integrates email marketing workflows, automation, landing pages, forms, analytics, and CRM data into one system. This means you can track a contact from the moment they visit your site to the moment they become a customer. But most teams misunderstand how powerful this single connection is. One of the biggest advantages is the automation engine. You can build sequences that react to user behavior, email opens, page visits, form submissions, or lead score changes. For example, if someone downloads a white paper, HubSpot can automatically enroll them in a nurturing series and notify sales and hire ready. You won't believe how useful the multi-touch attribution reports are. They show which channels actually drive revenue, not just clicks. Many teams discover the channels they assumed were weak were actually contributing to conversions all along. The enterprise version also offers advanced segmentation. You can slice audiences by behavior, life cycle stage, demographics, or engagement levels. This makes personalization significantly more effective. But here's what people get wrong. HubSpot is only as good as your setup. If your CRM is messy, your workflows will be messy. If your tracking is inconsistent, your reports will be inaccurate. HubSpot works best for teams committed to process and structure. Another essential feature is the content optimization system. HubSpot SEO and blog tools guide your content strategy, showing which topics have opportunities and how to cluster them for better rankings. Before downloading HubSpot, ask yourself, do you want a centralized system that controls your entire marketing funnel? Or do you prefer multiple specialized tools? HubSpot is ideal for teams that want everything tied together. If this breakdown helped, subscribe before installing your next enterprise marketing tool.